Ooh. Let's see. Let me see the front of it again. It's called the Volcano Exploration Truck. So we're going to be building the truck.
Alright, we'll be right back to build this thing.
Let's build her.
Hi, we're back.
Ooh, what did you build?
A car.
Let me see. Oh, that is cool.
And there's a little thing on the back.
It has a cool thing. That's so neat, man. We have the driver there. Oh no, this driver, that's a volcano person, huh? This, look, let me see. This one goes into the ground and drills. Drills, and then he finds this in the dirt and he pulls it out. And we have a cool chick here, he's looking for lava. She's the lava expert. Checking out the lava. We got a truck over here.
And look what's inside this thing. What's it? Take it apart. I want to show you what's in there. This is what's in the...
Just hold it up. It's a gem. They found a diamond inside? Oh, they found a pretty gem inside, huh? Or diamond, huh?
Yeah.
Or what if it's an Energem? Power Ranger Energem.
Nah.
They might have found the blue Energem.
Nah.
You don't think so? I think they found the blue Energem.